Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today, let us analyze the stock IOLCP. It's a stock based on chemical and paramedical sector, and many of our subscribers are holding the stock, and many are requesting to make a video on this. And I too covered the stock a couple of weeks ago. So now I wish to cover this once again because the stock is not moving anywhere. So I wish to give a piece of advice on the stock, and the stock is very good for long term because the stock has good worldwide presence, and the stock engaged in the manufacturing of APIs and some other specialty chemicals. This company is a largest manufacturer of ibuprofen and also more than 30% market share globally, so it's a good stock to go long. Actually, a couple of days ago, National Public Pricing Authority gave permission of 50% price hike in ibuprofen drugs, so it's positive for the stock because the company is producing more than 30% of global need. So the 50% price hike is very much positive for the stock, and it's good for going long in the stock. So it's a good stock to hold for long term. It produces ethyl acetate, and this company is the major producer of this drug and has more than 50% market share in this segment, and it has more than 30% share in production of isobutyl benzene. So these are the positive for the stock, and the stock is very good for going long because the future perspectives and profit growth is very good in the stock. Actually, the stock is reducing its debt. It's a positive for the stock, and the debt is almost zero, which is becoming almost a debt-free company. And as a profit growth, 67% as an average for the last 5 years. But the negative things are the sales growth are decreasing in the stock for the last 8 quarters, and the insiders have sold their stock. That's why the stock was down. Actually, they are selling every 3 months, so something is fishy in the stock. In financial part, the stock is very strong, but promoters are selling. It's a point to be considered before investing in the stock. Whenever a promoter is selling, they don't believe in the company's movement, so one should be cautious on taking positions. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So this is the monthly chart of IOLCP. It's really in a good retracement for long term. Since August 2020 it was on same retracement zone. So let me use the Fibonacci tool to analyze the good retracement points. So let me take this as a swing low. So the stock is at 0.5 retracement level when we consider this as a swing, and when we consider this as a swing, the stock is around 0.618 Fibonacci level. So it's a good stock to go long because the Fibonacci is also showing the stock is in small retracement. The stock actually bottomed here, and I think the stock is currently ready for going long. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So in weekly chart, let me draw the major support and resistance lines and the trend lines that followed since 2020 August. So this can be taken as the major trend line. I just covered the wicks. One can move to the body also, but it's a weekly chart, so covering to the wick is fine. Let me draw the lower line. So this is good stock to go long because the stock gave a breakout and it also took a retracement. I think some of the bears just offloaded their shares at break even points, and there is no room for negativity because the stock is starting to move higher and gave a breakout. And look at the volume. The volume is just an indication. The volume is not a golden rule to go long or short. So look at the indication. The indications show that volumes are very low. So look at the volumes. The volumes are very low. It usually happens in a retracement part when the price is showing a huge fall while volume are below than average, then it's a good retracement. And look at the green volumes here. Whenever a green volume happens, after a good green volume, the stock prices started falling in the stock. But right now the stock is very good and volume increasing and the price is also increasing. So currently the trend has been changing in the stock. Let us move to daily chart. So before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately, and join us on Telegram to get the updates on the stocks which we publish in this channel. And you can ask any doubts in the channel, in that group. We will answer it as soon as possible. So now let's move to the daily chart. In this daily chart, look at the major yellow zone. This can be considered as the major supply zone for the stock. Actually, I gave a entry above the 720 price range, and I have suggested a wait because the stock is quite weak on breakout. So I suggested a entry only above the 720, that too after a good retracement. I stated that the stock will reach the 650 levels and will move higher. That's what happening in the stock. If you missed that video, kindly watch that video which I have pasted in the above I button, and I have pasted in description also. So do watch that video before watching the latest analysis video. The stock is really good right now, and look at the trend line. So this shows that the stock is still in uptrend, and the stock is clearly in uptrend, but the sellers are trying to push the stock lower. But the stock is very good to go long, and taking new positions is not at all advisable in current market price. Take new positions only above the price range of 720. 720 can be taken as the entry for the new positions, and the stock might consolidate a bit more in the same zone like this, and it will break like this. So this may be a good possibility for the stock to move higher, and the stock should face two resistance. The resistance is around 665 price range also. So the people who are holding it should be cautious. If they need sudden growth, then one can book profits partially or book losses partially and enter only above the price range of 720. So the stock is very good for long term, but in short term it's facing many resistance. So one can take long positions above the 720 price range, and the price range of 900 can be taken as the target for the stock. Target is very easily achievable once the stock breaks the price range of 720. 720 can be taken as the major resistance for the stock, and currently the positive news flows started flowing in the market, so the stock may bounce back to higher levels. The stock actually came down for the retracement purpose only, and bullishness in the stock is not at all reduced, so one can hold tightly for long term. Target is around 900, which is almost a 22% upside from the price of entry, which I have suggested in previous video also. And the stock is very good for going long because the stock was on long term 0.618 retracement, so it's good to go long for long term also. So if you like the video, hit like button and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And finally, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.